Good morning, guys. For those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Rikki Lee, and today is day 23 of January, and today we are investing in our look. I am getting a glueless wig installed. I had a really lovely unit sent to me by Unice. You guys can see I took out all of my knotless braids. Please excuse all the white stuff. That is product buildup, but we are about to head over to the W Style Lounge because they are going to be doing my hair. I wanted this unit to be customized. I wanted her to dye it jet black. I also wanted her to curl it a certain way, just so that I could get the full experience and get to see for myself if this is really something that I like to do. If you're not, this is a very simple process. You can get some box dye your own glueless unit, and do all of that. But I'm spoiled and I love the W Style Lounge. I go there all the time, and I'm due for a treatment. I want to make sure that my hair is thriving under the wig. So she's going to wash my hair, she's going to treat it, she's going to braid it down, and we're going to have a flawless foundation. This is my first wig, by the way. I have never had a wig before. I've had a quick weave, I've had tape-in, I've had micro links, I've had literally everything under the sun with leave out but lace. I'm really excited to try this out just because I think this will be a really great solution for myself on those days when, like, I really just want to do something. I want to look cute, I want to look polished, but I don't have the funds to go and get my hair done because we are balling on a budget, okay? So I'll see you guys once I'm on my way to the W Style Lounge.
I keep pausing like I do. 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 All those other energies, you can get up in between. You're trying to get a piece of me. I can teach you.
This is the real deal, Holyfield.
The hot comb has the W.
Ooh.
So I think, yeah, I want to put that in.
Product shot of that.
Yeah.
As a black woman, I really do believe that the best investment that you can make is in your crown. It definitely gives me a boost of confidence when I get up out of the W Style Lounge's salon chairs. Like, I feel so good. You guys have seen me get tape-ins installed from them twice now. I've also gotten a V-part wig installed. I've gotten a plethora of different services at the salon, and the way I feel seen, the way I feel heard, and the way they just slay my hair every single time does not make any sense. About a year ago, I actually approached her sister, who's doing my hair right now. I approached her sister, her name is Wink, and she's the owner of W Style Lounge. And I was looking to get my hair curled, and I was like, I would love to exchange services. Like, I can create really great content for you, and you can just do my curls. And she was like, you came right on time. Like, I was talking to God, and I'm really looking to up-level my salon, and all this good stuff. And so when I started working with her, she was working in a salon suite, and just to see that in less than a year, she has literally upgraded her whole business. She has a whole salon on 5th Avenue in Columbus, Ohio, which is a huge testament. Like, I am so proud of her, and so I have vowed to work with them for as long as I can while I'm living in the city to help them create really amazing content to showcase their artistry and their work. So when I got approached with this wig from Unice, I was like, Kayla, I do not know how to do wigs. Like, can you please install this? And when I come in, I'll show you how to make some more content, because she really wants to create really good reels with her wigs, and I've always been working with her sister. So I just had a little one-on-one little consultation with her while she was doing my hair. We were talking, I was showing her all my cool gadgets, how I like to use my tripod. And I'll link the one that I just bought down in the description box, guys, because for those of you on here who are business owners, or specifically, you know, hairstylists, nail techs, or anything like that type of tripod with a Bluetooth remote where you can click it on and off while you're doing your work is really great, because that's the whole point of being able to create really good content, is that there's repetition in the type of clips that you're taking. So if you know exactly where your tripod needs to be, what type of shots, what type of things that you want to capture within your process at the W Style Lounge, then let's figure that out. So we figured that out that day, and guys, she sent me a video that she made like a few days later with another one of her clients, and I was just so proud because, as you guys know, they're my test dummy for, you know, what I want to offer with my digital marketing agency, and just to know that my teachings and the things that I am giving my clients is working for them is really exciting for me. Now, for the purposes of this meeting, all we did was really just style the hair. And because this unit was glueless, we did not use any holding spray or glue. I really wanted to showcase the integrity of the hair and show you guys what it gives if you are not an expert and you really don't know too much about lace, because I myself, if I would have done this at home, the curls wouldn't have looked like this, the wig wouldn't have looked like this, like it just would have looked awful. So I really do love the way that it came out, and I'll insert a little video here of how it looks once I did actually melt the lace.
Happiest when I can buy what I want, get how I want. Yeah, that's right.
Now, this is the hair about a week later, guys. I mean, it is beautiful. Like I said, we dyed it jet black, so it's not this dark just straight out of the box. But if you dye it a jet black or even a blue black, that's the W Style Lounge way. They do blue black for everything, and it just makes it just pop out even more. And this is with no filter. I was able to melt the lace with just some regular holding spray, and just wow.